Wolverine Racing. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Got some work going on in the shop. Got the new headers on IPS. Man, they're looking good too. I like them. Went with a set of Doug's headers. Doug's. They fit good. Not as great as some of the comments that I read or reviews that I read. At least not on this car. I had to do a little finessing here and there, but they weren't too bad. Yeah, anybody's ever put headers on these cars, especially bigger tube headers. These are 1 7/8 primaries and 3.5-inch collectors, and like big block headers too. I'm sure are pain in the behind on these cars. They were never meant to have that kind of exhaust system on them, but nevertheless, Doug's did a pretty good job with these. They fit fairly well. I was happy with the fit. Like I said, had to do a little finessing, but nothing we can't handle. Had to put some, well, I wanted to put some better headers because the ones that were on the car were probably 25 years old, and they were smaller tube, and we're going to bump the horsepower up on this car, so we need a little bit bigger tube. Now all I got to do is hook them up to my exhaust pipes underneath, and we'll be rocking. Change the oil on the bad boy, some fresh oil in the girl, some good old Valvoline VR1 racing oil. No, they do not sponsor me, but they can if they want. I use plenty of it. We did that, put some new plugs on it, just kind of went over everything, made sure everything was tight and ready to go, and then we'll get it out of here and do some driving while the weather's cool. Like it when the weather's cool. Of course, this car don't have AC, even though it was an AC equipped car. Doesn't have it hooked up. Hoping over the summer this year to get an AC system and put it on this car. I think that's my goal for the summer. It really would be nice to cruise around with some AC. But that's what we're doing in the shop. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Only a couple weeks till Christmas. Can't believe it. It's already December 5th. It's 20 days left till Christmas. And I don't know if y'all have started your Christmas shopping, but I sure have not. So I need to get moving. All right, y'all. Have a great weekend. Wolverine out.